being so nice. She really likes you. That was a good one.
She's feeling very confident.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good girl.
I'm telling you, we're trying out for dock diving.
She sounds a little bit like a horse blowing
Yeah.
when she does that way. All right, bounce. Ready? Bounce. Get it, get it, get it. Go, 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 go. Good boy! Yay! Good girl, Chad. All right.
Take your ball with you? Are you going to take your ball?
She's all swim out with it and trade off.
Come on, bring it here. Bring it here. She doesn't bring here, huh? Okay. Get the chicken.
Okay. She'll trade off.
Bounce your ball.
All right, Bouncy.
Go get the
Go
ball.
get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get it. Go get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it. Go get it. Get it. Bounce. Go get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
There you go.
Okay, Gemma, ready? She can't wait. Can't wait. Hi, girlie.
There you go, kid.
She's quick to grab. It's like, no, she's going to turn around before you can grab her.
It's okay. He's had a lot of turns. So.
Okay.
Get it. Go get it, Bounce. Gemma, Gemma, Gemma. Ready? That's the way to go, so she's not on the right one.
Yeah. We're getting good at alternating now.
We're figuring this out. It takes us a little while. Okay. Watch Bob. Bob's going to throw it.